Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well. Today's Friday, hope everybody has a great Friday and a blessed and safe weekend. We got in late today. As you can see, the sun's starting to go down. And the footage I was going to originally use, something had happened to it there. Have to look over the hole in my pants. You can probably see little hoof marks all over me. Them little kids up there, the one mama, I always try to take her a slice of bread or something. And, well, them little kids must talk to each other. They got a little piece. Well, now they come up, about knock you down. Didn't get a whole lot accomplished today. Woke up, I felt like, well, my back was hurting. Then I guess where my back was hurting so bad, sick to my stomach. So we didn't get a whole lot accomplished today. We did get the animals fed this morning and this evening, got them all counted and everything. But anyway, this is a short video. Come on over here, Dixie. Come up here and see me. You want to come up? No? Okay. I talked the other day, it wasn't the last video, but it is just the other day. I was going to start posting some links, doing shout outs for other channels, stuff that we watch and stuff that you all made. You know, just check them out, see if it's your cup of tea or not. But what I'll do, you can look at our posts. I'll have it on there and you can just click right on the link there and check them out. But we'll start doing that. There's, as you know, there's oodles of channels out there. But so if you're not on this first post, don't get mad. It's a coming. Don't feel slighted or anything. I ain't going to fix a huge list to start off with there. Last year we was doing shout out Saturday, but we'll just time to time we'll put a post up there talking about that. Shug, what's that bird hollering at me? Catbird. But no, we'll have that on our post. And I hope everybody has a safe weekend. Lord willing, we'll see you Monday. Hopefully get up in the morning feeling better than I did today. Feel better than I did this morning, but felt pretty bad today. Hadn't felt that bad in a while. The heat didn't help it out either. But y'all stay safe. You want to get up here? No? You camera shy this evening? Alrighty, folks. Stay safe. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for watching us and coming along with us. Stay safe. We'll see you. Thank you.
The sun comes up across the mountain sky, morning dew and a rooster's cry, garden rows stretching far and wide, another summer day on the countryside, tomatoes growing, beans on the vine, sweet corn standing tall in line, the flowers blooming red, yellow, and gold, simple country treasures worth more than gold. It's summertime on Holman's homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still, with flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holman's homestead today. The tractor's rolling through the hayfield green, one of the prettiest sights I've ever seen. Fresh cut hay and a warm summer breeze, the kind of life that puts your mind at ease. Carolyn's picking flowers by the gate, while supper's cooking and the day runs late. The garden's giving more than we can hold, another homestead story waiting to be told. It's summertime on Holman's homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still, with flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holman's homestead today. We've seen the sunrise and the evening glow, watched little seedlings grow, row by row, made memories here that money can't buy. Under these Appalachian skies, it's summertime on Holman's homestead, working these fields where our roots were laid. The garden's growing and the hay's been baled, thanking the Lord for the life we've made. From the chickens in the yard to the goats on the hill, living country life and loving it still, with flowers blooming bright along the way. It's summertime on Holman's homestead today. So thank you all for coming along with us, for every comment, sharing all your love. We hope you'll join us down the road ahead, here on Holman's homestead today. Thank you all for coming along with us and watching